Planning to visit Ouachita National Forest? In the next 2 minutes, we'll show you the top 5 things to do, including one of the most scenic drives in the southern United States. We're Amy and Pete. Starting off is visiting Little Missouri Falls, one of the most beautiful waterfalls in the Ouachita Mountains. This waterfall is easily accessed through a short walk from the parking area. It brings you to wide rock ledges overlooking cascading falls. You can even wade in the water during the warmer summer months. Number 4 is hiking a section of the Ouachita National Recreation Trail. Now, this hike is 220 miles long, but you can hike portions of it that go along scenic ridges of the Ouachita Mountains. This is a great way to experience the forest and amazing mountain views. At number 3 is spending time in Lake Ouachita. It's the largest lake in Arkansas and has incredibly clear water. You can boat, swim, fish, or paddle. There are also islands that are worth exploring as well. At number 2 is hiking Eagle Rock Loop. This is one of the best trails in the mountains. It's 26 miles long and travels through rugged wilderness, including streams and breathtaking ridges. You can also explore just a smaller portion of the loop too for an incredible day hike. And finally at number 1 is driving the Talimena Scenic Byway. It's 54 miles long and connects Mena, Arkansas with Talimena, Oklahoma. Along the way, you'll see many overlooks with sweeping views. For a special treat, travel this road in the fall, where the colors are spectacular. And if you're planning other park visits, Amy and I are creating guides for every U.S. park. Subscribe so you don't miss the ones you'll visit next. And if you collect national and state park stickers, you can find ours linked below.